Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today I'm going to show you egg recipe, and that will be super healthy, super easy and super quick that you can make this recipe. So let's get started with making omelette in a mug. I call it as microwave mug omelette. Let's get started with the ingredients. Minute microwave recipe. This is my mug, and I've added chopped tomato, chopped onion, coriander, chopped green chili, mushroom, well, whichever vegetable you would like. And there goes one egg, and I've added some salt and pepper. So let's add some cheese of your choice. You can skip the cheese if you don't like. That goes cheese. I have not added any butter, oil, so that goes cheese there, and a couple tablespoons of milk. Well beaten, and let's move on to the microwave. I'm going to microwave this for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you can see it is still a little jiggly. And I have added 1 more minute, and total 2 minutes of microwaving, and my omelette is ready. And there you go, my 2 minutes omelette is ready. Let's sprinkle some more cheese, and you're good to go. Enjoy your hot omelette breakfast. And here's my microwave mug recipe. Let's take a bite and see how beautiful that looks. Look at that, beautiful. So please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next recipe. See you next time. Bye bye.